Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can disable telemetry in Windows 11. So first you need to click on Windows and R together and this run will open, and here you need to write rec edit, click on OK, click on yes. So once it is open, you simply need to select H key lock machine, and then you need to select the software. So click here. So once you are in software, you need to find the policies. So click here in the policies, and then you need to click on Microsoft and click on the Windows, and here you need to find the option of data collection. So click here, data collection, and here you need to click the right mouse cursor, click on new, and click on divert 32-bit value and name it allow telemetry. Okay, now you need to click on that and make that value to 0 and click on OK. So this is the process that you need to follow to disable telemetry in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.